Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make pasta de bocaditos, which is a Cuban ham spread. Very traditional and popular at birthday parties and such. It is, again, one of my favorites. I know I say that a lot, but I'm making you all my favorites. The other day, my son asked me, he said, if you were on death row and you had to pick your last meal, what would it be? And I am such a foodie, but this is like anything on a Cuban toddler's birthday party platter is my kryptonite, and this is on it. It is in the family of my favorites, which are the pastelitos, the Cuban pastries, the croquetas, which I've made both for you, and these little sandwiches. This ham spread is served on, they're like Hawaiian rolls, and it's a sweet bread, so yummy, and it's so easy to make, and I'm so excited to make it because I'm so excited to eat it. So let's get in the kitchen. You'll need 1 bar of softened cream cheese, 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 1 roasted red pepper, pimentos, it can be the jarred kind, 8 ounces of smoky ham, and 5 to 10 olives. In this case, I ended up using about 8 olives. And some people like sweet pickles, so you can do 1 small sweet pickle if you don't like olives. And guys, this is just as easy as dumping everything in the food processor. I start with the wetter ingredients. This roasted red pepper, I include a little bit of its juice and a little bit of the olive juice too. So we're gonna mix that up in the food processor, and the last thing I'm gonna put in is the cream cheese. It's been sitting out on the counter for a few hours, so it's nice and soft. I like mine chunky, so there it is, the perfect consistency. A piece of my childhood slathered on some bread. Okay, let's taste it. So yummy, so tangy, so perfect. Guys, this is really so good. If you like bocaditos, you really should try this. It's really better than some bakeries I've tried. And thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying my recipes, support me by subscribing. I will be back really soon with more easy Cuban recipes. Besitos to all. Mwah!